Your car's acting up and you're not sure why? It could be A.
Auto.
In this video, we'll explain what a VVT solenoid is, why it fails, and what you can do about it. Today, most cars that run on gas come with a special feature that allows the valve's timings to be tweaked according to the RPM, engine load, road conditions, and other factors. The most commonly found systems use VVT solenoids or variable valve timing solenoids to clean it, locate the solenoid, disconnect it from the engine, remove dirt and grime with a cleaner and cloth, check for damage, and then reconnect the engine safely before testing its operation. In this article, we will share simple steps on how to clean a VVT or variable valve timing solenoid. What is a VVT solenoid? A variable valve timing, a VVT, solenoid is a crucial component in modern car engines. That allows the efficient control of the engine's valve opening and closing times. This timing adjustment optimizes engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. Essentially, the VVT solenoid helps the engine adapt to different driving conditions by adjusting the valve's opening and closing times. Why you should clean variable valve timing solenoid? The variable valve timing solenoid is like a traffic controller for construction machinery engines. It helps adjust when valves open and close to make the engine work better and use fuel efficiently. 1. Understanding the VVT solenoid, think of the variable valve timing solenoid valve as a traffic controller for construction machinery engines. It adjusts when valves open and close to make the engine work better and use fuel efficiently. 2. Importance of cleaning. Over time, dirt and gunk can build up on the solenoid, causing problems like slow or incorrect actions. Regular cleaning is crucial to maintain optimal performance. 3. Effective dirt buildup. When the solenoid gets clogged up, it's like having a door that won't shut properly, leading to wasted fuel. Cleaning it helps the engine work smoothly and use less fuel, which is beneficial for the environment. 4. Preventing engine damage. If the solenoid remains dirty or stuck, it can disrupt the engine's operation and even cause damage. Regular cleaning prevents such issues and ensures the engine runs well. 5. Lifespan. Regular cleaning prevents more dirt from piling up and reduces the risk of the solenoid breaking due to dirt accumulation. This prolongs the solenoid's lifespan, saving you money on repairs in the long run. Why variable valve timing solenoid gets clogged? The variable valve timing solenoid gets clogged due to dust, oil, and other dirty stuff that build up over the years. This buildup takes place because the solenoid is inside the engine where it can collect all kinds of gunk from the oil, air, and exhaust. If the engine gets really warm or runs for a long time, it may worsen this build-up. Hence, it's vital to clean it regularly to hold the whole thing operating smoothly. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.